Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna share 3 super awesome money making social platform where you can earn huge money. If you use this platform regularly, you can earn huge money for your social engagement, for your social activity. So the platforms are Facebook, YouTube and Webtalk. Okay, first one is YouTube. If I talk about YouTube, if you want to earn from YouTube, first of all you need a requirement, that is you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time, and if you can complete this requirement, that time you can earn money from YouTube. And when you reach to $100, that time you can withdraw this money. So for to complete this requirement, you need to invest 5 or 6 months. It depends upon you. Maybe it's gonna be more or it's gonna be less, but you need to invest your time. You need to make good content for earning in YouTube. Okay, second one is Facebook. If you want to earn from Facebook, you need a Facebook page where you need 10,000 followers to your Facebook page, and on the other hand you need a requirement of at least 3 minutes video which will reach to 30,000 people who will watch this video at least 1 minute. So if you can complete all of this requirement, then you can also earn from Facebook page directly. Third one, I'm gonna talk about Webtalk. It's a super awesome money making platform right now. You can earn various way in this platform. So you can start your earning just after completing your profile and sign up their agreement, and you can earn from this platform for your social activity. And in another way, suppose we are working on Fiverr, Upwork as a freelancer, so you can get a job here or you can hire people from this platform. And third way, you can join people in this platform by your link, and if under your link any people purchase any kind of things, you will get 10% commission. So Webtalk is a super awesome money making social platform, and you can earn various way in this platform. And finally, what I will say about Webtalk, Webtalk is a blessing for new YouTubers who are interested earning in YouTube and who want to grow or increase his subscriber or views in YouTube. They can join in Webtalk, and you can share your channel in Webtalk, and people can watch your YouTube video from Webtalk directly, and they don't need to go to YouTube. So, and they can also subscribe to your channel from Webtalk directly. So I think it's a blessing for new YouTubers, and you can do 2 things simultaneously. One is you can earn from Webtalk by sharing your YouTube video in Webtalk, and for your engagement, suppose like, comment, share, you will earn. And second one is when you will reach to 1000 subscriber and more than 4000 hour watch time, you can also earn from YouTube. So it's a super awesome money making platform right now, and you have also some other facility to earn from Webtalk. So I hope I can make you understand about these 3 platforms where you can earn money, and Webtalk is super awesome, and you can earn money just after joining in Webtalk. So I hope you will join today in Webtalk, and if you are interested to earning in online for your social engagement, you can also make a Facebook page, you can make a YouTube channel. So you can work simultaneously in this 3 platform, and you will be able to earn a huge revenue from this 3 platform. So if you have any question about Webtalk, about YouTube or about Facebook page, you can do it here. You can share with us. We will try our best to answer your question. And thanks for being with us, and I hope you will join today in Webtalk with our link. And at last, what I will say, please consider to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.